Today I'm going to share with you what skincare coaching is and why you should book your first free appointment with me today. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Maham, also known as Malika E Maham. You can find me here on YouTube and on Instagram as Malika E Maham. If you are a woman of color, please make sure to share my video with another woman of color who you know might be interested in skincare. So you're probably wondering, what is skincare coaching? Skincare is not just about having skin concerns and having the means to purchase a product. Skincare is about three things: time, money, and presence. A good skincare coach will guide you in the journey of you achieving your skincare goals. They will provide you with a lineup of products based on the time, money, and presence goals that you have set together. They will consider your weekly physical movement, any poor habits that you might have that might be making a long-term effect on your skin, like tanning or smoking. They will consider the climate that you live in and your different skin concerns from day to day and from season to season. A skincare coach will not only work with you to develop a skincare routine, but they will also recommend skincare tools, masks, and facial massages that you can do at home versus facials that you can be getting at a med spa or at an esthetician's office. Most dermatologists, med spa doctors, estheticians, plastic surgeons, beauty counter salesperson at your favorite retail store cannot be trusted. I'm not saying that all of them cannot be trusted. I'm just saying most of them cannot be trusted because this is a business for them. If they can sell you 2 products or 2 procedures, they will. Most people who are purchasing products based on what their favorite influencer is recommending are making a hasty decision rather than an educated decision. You might not realize, but your favorite influencer might have completely different skin concerns as you, and they might be living in a completely different climate as you, and they might have completely different physical body movement than you do. So now you're probably thinking, why would you want to work with me? I am an educated consumer who believes in setting new beauty goals every single year. Sometimes it may take 2 to 3 years to achieve your beauty transformation. It is all about constantly becoming the best version of yourself so that you can stop making excuses and start going after life that you want. I have coached male and female models and actors here in California for almost 3 years now. I have learned how to differentiate between gimmicks and effective ingredients. My personal beauty goal is to have even skin all over my body and face, to restore the curl pattern that's in my hair, laser my upper lips, my fingers, toes, and underarms, laser hair removal. Eventually, I want to get some permanent solution for my eyebrows, enhance my natural lip color, eventually. Previously, my beauty goals revolved around eyelash extensions, waxing, sun tanning, and changing my hair color. Now I find eyelash extensions to look ridiculous and extremely unnatural. I find that waxing and tanning is extremely harmful to the dermis, to the skin, and constantly changing my hair color was the reason why I lost the curl pattern in my hair in the first place. Just so you know, I'm constantly transforming and evolving as well. I'm always striving to determine a self-care schedule that optimizes my lifestyle. I assist my clients with determining a schedule that is optimized for their lifestyle. For example, a mother of 2 newborn twins will have a completely different routine and schedule than somebody who wakes up at 3 a.m. in the morning to get to work by 4. Everything needs to be tweaked for your lifestyle, for your schedule, and your routine. Anyways, if you would like to book your first free 30 minutes with me, please make sure to send me an email at this email that I just popped on the screen, or click on the email button that's on my Instagram profile and shoot me an email. I hope that you will find enough love for yourself to prioritize yourself in this new decade and in this new digital age. Thank you so much for sharing your time and energy with me. Here is another video starting from me now. Bye!